Okay, so we've got the module in the trunk lock location, and on our EngineStat Tornado, we'll demonstrate how it works. Press the trunk open button, and voila. Today we're going to show you the EngineStat Extreme and the remote trunk control module. Now the trunk module comes with not only a remote mounted solenoid actuated lock, but also this little module here, which electronically controls the lock solenoid. First, you have to purchase the EngineStat Extreme, which is here. The EngineStat Extreme comes with 4 extra wires, which allow you to do remote control for your doors, for your lights, for your engine start, and for your trunk locks. It's pretty exciting. So, we'll go out there in a minute, show you how simple and easy this thing is to operate, and how cool it is to have engine monitoring, alarms to protect your engine, and remote control all in one unit. Okay, so we've got the module in the trunk lock location, and on our EngineStat Tornado, we'll demonstrate how it works. Press the trunk open button, and voila, the trunk springs open. So we also have the ability to have a remote button inside the cabin of the car that will emulate the same thing as pressing this button here. So, very nice to use your smartphone for that. Again, EngineStat Extreme, check it out. Thank you. The module has 4 extra wires, and these wires allow you to do remote control. So, engine monitoring and remote control in one module. Nothing else like it on the market. Well, you install the EngineStat as normal, and then you're able to use your remote control application here. To get a little bit more specific, the trunk module we provide is right here. You can see that it's similar to most standard trunk locks that were made in the 50s and 60s and into the 70s, except for that it's got a motorized solenoid in it. So that when the trunk is closed like this, there's a solenoid, and when you press the remote control button on your smartphone, will actuate it and unlock the trunk.